Hey everybody, I wanted to give a quick video instructions for today since it's the last day of school before spring break. Yay, woo! If anybody needs to know dates or anything like that, you can Google that. Just look CMS calendar and it'll pull right up for you. There's Mr. O'Neill getting excited for spring break. You need to check your email for your Zoom information today. I have a doctor's appointment and I will only be doing my first class. So second, third, fourth block, no sixth block, y'all need to check your email for instructions on how to come here. But if you're watching this, it looks to me like you've already checked your email. So have a good, safe spring break. Please make smart choices and decisions as you represent Piedmont and myself while you are out and about in the general public. I love y'all to death. I only want to hear positive stories when I come back. Yesterday's test. If you are unhappy with your grade, I have made it so you can have a second attempt on your test. It is still not open note. You still need to be on time to your next class. You need to be principled and ethical and do everything you normally would as if you were sitting in the class with Mr. O'Neill right there. But if you are not happy with your grade, I made it so you can have another attempt. It is the same test. The grading scale is below. If you're happy with your test grade and you have missing work, then here is everything you need to do. Everything is linked here. Read these instructions, and that's all you need to do is to get this work turned in is look here. If you're done with your test score, if you've turned in all of your work, you are done with social studies for the day. During your asynchronous time at the end of the day, you need to make sure all these things are done and you are on time to your next class. Today's schedule is linked right up here. And remember, it goes very, very quickly. So you need to make sure that you're on time for all of your classes, even if you're attempting the test. I gave you more time on it. So if there's anything you need from me, send me an email and I'll do my best to answer it during this second half of the day. I will not be on email because I'll be at the doctor's office during this time, but after 1 o'clock, I will be answering my emails. All right, guys, have a great day. Love y'all, miss y'all. Have a fantastic spring break and use your time to get ahead. Bye.